Hi there, I'm Lou and welcome to Easy English with Lou. If you're just starting to learn English, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple and powerful tips to help you learn English faster. No boring textbooks, I promise you. Let's jump in. Are you ready? Good. Tip number 1. Try to listen to English every day. You don't have to understand every word. Just try to get used to the rhythm and the sound of English. So, for example, watch your favorite shows in English, listen to podcasts in English, or even play English music while you're cooking or cleaning. Your brain will then start to recognize the different patterns without even trying. How great and neat is that? Tip number 2. Speak out loud even if you're alone. Say new phrases. Repeat what you hear in movies or talk about your day in English. It might feel silly at first, I know, but it helps you to build confidence and improve pronunciation a lot faster. Tip number 3. When you are learning English, try to learn phrases and not just words in isolation. For example, instead of learning just the word go or the word store, try to put them together, like I'm going to the store. That way it sounds a lot more natural, and it's how we actually speak in real life. Tip number 4. Use English in your life, in your daily life. So, for example, set your phone or your apps on your phone to English. Write your to-do list or your shopping list in English. Or when you're on social media and you want to write a comment, write that comment in English. The more you use it, the faster you will learn, I promise you. Tip number 5, and my most favorite one, make it fun. Learning does not have to be boring, I promise you. Try to play different games like Duolingo, or you can even watch funny videos in English with subtitles, or you can challenge a friend to only speak in English for 5 minutes. And if one of you fail, there should be a penalty or something like that. The more you enjoy it, the more you will stick with it, I promise you. Guess what? I have a bonus tip for you. Try to track your progress. Okay. For example, keep a notebook of new phrases or words that you have learned, and every day mark that off on a calendar. This way you will be able to see your growth, and it's a very, very great way to help you to stay motivated to continue to learn English. That's it, guys. 5 tips plus your bonus tip to help you learn English faster. Please tell me, which one will you want to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more English tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!